Welcome back to the Urban Ranch version 2.0 Quick Shot 19. We get into the yard space here, and what you're seeing is prep work done by Forever Lawn. This is what's going to be installed is an artificial turf. It's a specific product that they have called canine grass. So this is a product several generations in. Most notably, we used this same exact product in an application up on the guest house roof where we lived during the construction on the urban ranch. Specific aspect of this product that really appealed to us is it is made for individuals who have dogs and urinate on this artificial turf. The mesh on the backing of this material allows any type of water to dissipate directly through it. So that any urine doesn't kind of stay and then develop odors over time. Rather, it runs right through. We've had it up on the rooftop at the guest house now for several years. Couldn't be happier with the product, and we decided to go along with it here as well. This is also the part of the yard due to, as you can see, the linden tree and the pear tree on the curb, that really it's the most shaded part of the yard, and therefore obviously the hardest to grow natural grass. And we felt, just for multitude of reasons, that this would be a product that would work well for us. Couldn't be happier with it, and the guys did a great job doing the installation here over a 2-day period. So a little bit more as the yard's really now coming together. Stay tuned, as more to come on the Urban Ranch version 2.0.